What is the next strategy for long-term holder to buy Tesla? Give like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to buy more Tesla like a long-term investor. And I would also give you the strategy for the short-term trader. Okay, so take like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money with some of the trading strategy. Okay, so this platform is just for education purpose. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, so now look at the Tesla. This is our weekly chart. So I want to show you, are we still in the upward trend? The answer is yes. This blue line is my indicator. Basically, you can tell the trend is still upward. This is weekly chart. And how about the red one? The red one is more sensitive. It comes more closely with the stock action. Okay. The thing is, the red one, we are having a pullback, is going down. And now we are at we need to go above this red to stay a strong pattern. It's not yet, still battering. Okay. Well, this week we have just started. But I want to show you in my previous video, I've shown you how to buy the long-term strategy. I want to repeat again because some of you just like they message me again and I need to tell you and let me repeat how to buy for the long-term investor. Okay. So with my strategy, let me hide these two first. So with my strategy, remember the first one we buy with the RSI strategy. So basically you bought at this candle around 120, around 120, this candle. Okay. How about the second one? How about the second chance? If you miss this candle, what is the next chance for the long-term holder? Okay, so now I give you the strategy. Remember, I have mentioned the pattern of the base. So some of the base pattern, a base pattern with which is like double bottom or a curve like this, okay? Or which is quite good for Tesla. Or the other one is head and shoulder pattern, which is forming like this. Can you see that? Well, it's not complete yet, the pattern. We still need few more weeks to complete this gap, okay? So what is the good thing is look at this shoulder and this shoulder, the bottom. The right shoulder is higher than the left shoulder. So it's a very good trend. Basically, can tell this is the bottom, okay? If it's opposite, then it's not good. Now, the right-hand side is higher than the left-hand side, so it's good trend. So when to buy, which is when we see this kind of pattern, basically, we buy at the shoulder price, which is around 301. So you can, like when they have a green candle, closing price go above this 301, you can buy. Okay, this is for long-term holder. I want to draw you this so for you to understand the trend. Okay, so basically, when they go above here, form a candle, green candle here, you bought. Most likely, they will come back to test the supports and go up again. So when they go up, this candle, also a green candle, this is your another chance to buy. Okay, so first chance, the first one, the second one, and then the third one. So you have 3 times to buy for the long-term holder. Is it clear? This is so clear, right? I just a bit more knowledge for this. This candle, the bottom cannot lower than this candle, the body bottom. So what I mean is, for example, if this is the first candle here, the second candle here, the bottom cannot be lower than this one. Clear? If you're not, if not clear, you make a comment below. I make another video, better explanation, and then I show better. This video is quite emergency because we still have like 30 minutes to go to close the market. Okay, so this is for long-term holder. Now clear, everyone clear. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is the daily chart. So some people ask me for the short trader, the daily chart. So recently, if you follow my channel, basically you're making 14 to 17% with me, right? So again, I'm not your financial advisor. So we bought with RSI strategy, we bought at this candle. Everyone is so happy here. And I have another video to mention when to sell, give you a warning because of the resistance of the time, resistance of the price also. Okay. So we sold with 17% profit, basically. So 14 to 17% depends how the price you bought in on this candle. Okay. So happy, just 8 days. This is a good profit. Okay, so what is the next strategy? For short-term holder, you shouldn't hold any stock with my strategy, okay? So now, I have mentioned we have a strong resistance around 260, basically. So we sold there. We are still under this resistance, okay? We're still under this resistance. And what happened is, this candle is critical. I told you, if we haven't stopped the job, if we haven't go above this candle, basically it's not yet confirmed we are going upward. Okay, so you can, this red candle, basically this big candle, the down 5%. I think if you are my follower, you are really happy with it. So I draw for this candle, I make a high price, low price for you to understand. When they go above this, the closing price go above is confirmed go up. When the green candle, if they drop below, they will drop lower. Okay, so far we haven't seen the pattern yet. We haven't seen the pattern yet, so we need to wait. Okay, it haven't stopped the dropping down. It's still in this range. Okay, is it clear? Okay, if it's not clear, make a comment below. I will try to make another video. I'm trying my best, okay? So I hope my video can help you to understand more how to trade and how to make money, really. So I hope I can help you a little bit with my little bit knowledge, not little bit, but I just want to help you guys because so many people buy at the high, they sell at the low. It's just so funny. Remember, we buy at lows, we sell at the high. Okay, so this is our theory. Okay, the next one, I want to show you where is the support. How low will it go down? Okay, the support price will be around this gap, basically around 234, this gap area. So it's possible to go, and you can see here the bottom here. So around this, the bottom is 228. So basically the first support would be 200, this one. Let me make a green for you. 230, this one is 200 for 234. 234 is the support. Okay, the first support. Okay, so we just need to wait, which is just a small pullback, if so. You see, so even you did not sell, it's fine. Even it's okay because in long term, I have analyzed how to read the Tesla. So I will show the video again in the end of this video. Just click, we watch it, and it take me really long time to do some research. So just don't waste it, okay? So this is the sharing. So, okay, let me show you also. This is my indicator, remember? So the blue line is the direction. What does it mean, remember? This one is the trend. So we need this to go flat or go upward to confirm this one is going up again. Otherwise, we are still in the rebounds. Okay. The next one, this indicator, the red line is more sensitive. You see here, so it's going upward. This is good, but this candle better to go above this red line. So it's not yet there. Okay, so we are not really strong. So I have mentioned also September is a sideways market, most likely. Okay, according to the history. So basically, it's quite fluctuate. So if you don't like this kind of market, trade safely. Just keep your capital. Okay. So this market will be up and down, will be sideways. So if you're very good, then it's fine. If you are not very good at trading, try to avoid and look at the resistance. You can buy a more safe point, which is when they go above the resistance, then you buy. Okay, and so it's very easy strategy. So I will have more update, but you need to understand better to trade for long term than the short term trader. Okay, long term is much easier. Okay, so this is my sharing today, and I will upload the video now. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Bye.